Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. These are some thermal socks. Wool socks to keep warm, has moisture wicking, enhanced cushion, protect tibia, effective bacteriostasis. It's for skiing. I'm planning on skiing in a few months, December. And here are the socks. Comes in a bundle of 3. They're different colors. And if you are interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.